Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. This is the project we're making today. This is the fourth project and the final project for my Over the Moon class packet. Those are the details, or this is part of the details. The rest of them are over on my website. I'm going to recap the four projects really quickly. That was project 1. Isn't it cute? Project 2. Project 3, and Project 4. Again, all the details are over on my website. So now let's make the final project. Okay, so let me get this out of the way. Here are the supplies. We've got the Share What You Love Designer Series paper. It measures 6 by 12. And then we've got Whisper White and Crumb Cake. These circles measure 2 and 11/16. And then these are the scraps that I use. So I'm also going to use the Whisper White for the 1-inch circle here, okay? I'm going to get the Simply Scored scoring tool, and we'll go ahead and score our bag. Okay, so I'm going to start on the bottom of the bag, which is the portrait side, and I'm going to score this at 1.5. Then I'm going to turn it on the landscape side, the 12-inch side, and I'm going to score it at 1.5, 5.5, 7, and 11. You do want to use your bone folder. This cardstock is, or designer series paper, is very thick. That's what makes it such perfect boxing bags. Okay, so while I'm folding this, I have been packing catalogs and shipping them out, working really long hours. So if I say or do anything to offend anyone, I apologize. I do get very excited about our product. I do love my job, and sometimes in my excitement, I may sometimes say something that people don't like. So if I've offended anyone, I'll go ahead and say I apologize, but no ill intentions. Yeah. Ever. Okay, so I removed that section there, and the way you can tell is this side over here is thicker. That's 1.5 inches. This one's not, okay? So you're going to remove that section, and then you're going to angle these, okay? Now, let me show you how this is going to, well, we got more cutting to do, so let me cut up to the score line. I was going to show you how the bag's going to assemble, but I got to cut some more. Okay, so now we're going to put adhesive here, and we're going to fold this over. So that's going to be the back of our bag. This is going to be the front. So I'm going to put adhesive on this strip here. Let me get my tearing tape. Okay. And then now, it has been raining and storming for a couple days now here in Kansas. So, yeah, we've got a bunch more storms coming today. So I'm trying to get this video wrapped up and done before it starts again. We've got a small little break. Okay, so again, that's the back of our bag. Here's the front. So I'm going to put my tearing tape here. Okay, same thing, just going to use my paper piercer. Fold that over. Okay, so this can be called a box or a bag. Box bag. I'm not real sure what to call it, but here's the thing. I'm just going to squeeze the sides like that, and I'm going to staple it. Now, you don't have to staple it. You can use the gold library clips. You can punch a hole right here and tie ribbon at the top. This project was meant to be more of a masculine project, so even though I've got some ribbon there, it's still leaning on the side of masculine. So I'm just going to use a stapler, and you can use any stapler you have. I still have our retired stapler that I will keep forever. I love it. I'm going to take the white flax ribbon and tie a bow. Okay. Just get the bow looking the way I want it to look. And then trim the ends. And I'm going to attach it with a glue dot. and add it right there on top of that staple. Okay, so there's that part. Now let's stamp. So I'm using Memento ink. Again, the stamp set is Over the Moon, and I am so sorry that, yes, I am offering the Make and Take packet, but the stamp set is not yet available till June 4th. So, you'll want to order that in June. I didn't want to wait because the Share What You Love paper is retiring. And like I've said probably 100 times now, I do think that this pack of paper is absolutely perfect for the Over the Moon stamp set. I wish it was sticking around. Okay, so there's the cow. And then we'll stamp Party Till the Cows Come Home. This would be good to give to what? Birthday, right? Party, birthday party, graduation party. Cut that out with the 1-inch circle punch. Okay, now we're going to color. This time we're just using a little bit of coloring, or we're just doing a little bit of coloring. I colored a lot on all the other ones, so again, this one's leaning more towards simple, masculine. So this is the light petal pink. And then I'm going to color his spots with the dark. And I didn't give you the list at the top, did I? I normally do that. Like I said, the storm, the catalogs, my goal. I'm like a little chicken with its head cut off right now. I hate saying that. That's a terrible phrase, but that is kind of how I am right now. Just saying. Okay, and then now his tail over here. And then I forgot to bring one marker in, but it's over here, and it is the dark smoky slate. We're going to color his hooves. And then now we're going to color the rest of him with the light crumb cake. And I'm actually going to use my brush tip this time instead of the, I picked up the wrong color. Oh well, you know what? We'll make a slight change. We'll color half of his face with the dark. Oh, that's funny. He'll still look good. See? Oh, and here's that alien. Somebody said this weekend that every time they see this stamp set now, they see the alien too. I'm glad I'm not alone. That goes back to the whole alien saying what, we're not alone. Oh, I actually like his face partial dark, don't you? Okay, so this is going to get added. Let's see, how did we do this? Let me think about this for a second. I made this project a couple weeks ago. Okay, so what I did was I put adhesive here. I need to get some more liquid glue. My glue on this station has actually run out, believe it or not. Okay, so then now this layer I'm going to add to the bag with dimensionals. So I'm just going to place 3 of them around. And this one, well, let's wait just a second, not get ahead of myself. Okay, so that's going to go there. And then this one, I'm just going to pop it up. And the final step is we're going to add 3 rhinestones. Whoops. Okay, so there you have it. That wraps up my Over the Moon class packet. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Okay, have a great day. Bye.